order a course. NFHSLearn.com makes ordering a course a quick and easy process. First, sign into your account. Next, click Courses on the white bar at the top of the page. Use the search bar at the top to find any course you're looking for. You can also use the filters on the left side to view courses by category. Once you find the course you're looking for, click on the picture to go to that course's page. From here, choose your state from the drop-down menu and click the blue Order Course button. You'll be asked who is planning to take this course. Click the Myself option if you are planning on taking the course. If you're planning to order this course in bulk, choose the Others option. On the next screen, enter the quantity. When ready to send the courses, go to the distribution area of your dashboard. If you'd also like to join the NFHS Coaches, Music Association, or Speech, Debate, Theater, and Academics Association, be sure to click the Add to Cart button at the top of the page. To add another course before checking out, click Continue Shopping and follow the same process for the other courses you're planning to buy. If your order is complete, click the blue Checkout button. The following billing information page is the first step of the checkout process. Use the fields to enter your billing address and click the blue Continue button. You can then review your order and agree to the NFHS refund policy. If you are purchasing at least 5 courses, you can pay with a purchase order and simply click the checkbox. When you've completed all the steps, fill in your credit card information and click the blue Place Order button. Once you complete your order, your courses will be available on your dashboard.